ज्ञान की जरूरत ध्यान से पहले क्यों है?
Without Gyan, meditation nothing. First is Gyan, knowledge, and then meditation. If no knowledge, then whose meditation is? For what? Knowledge first, why I should make meditation, this and that, all the things. And what should be for meditation? Your heart, clear. Everything is clear. You are so simple, have desire, and think him as a super being, all and everything. To whom? Your Ishta, your ideal, which you have made for God. Thinking expert master, experienced master, who is expert in the theory and story of all the God. He was. So we pray to him. Because God, Super Being, is very far from us. He do not listen to us, nothing. He is in us. I told you very first day, what is the God is in you. The God, Super Being, is in you. And you have no knowledge about it.
Okay. Maharaj ji, most of the time a common person's consciousness remain in body and mind. So what is the easy way go to beyond the region of mind? मन के मंडल से ऊपर कैसे जाएं?
That is also knowledge. Knowledge says you so that is very easy. What is the knowledge? Knowledge says that this what are you realizing that is not true. It make you. It make you yourself. Suppose if Satguru see to you inside, then that is make you. So what is the thing? Reality is not here. So destination little further. And that then you leave that thing, and then you go up. Then you go from the man's area.
Region of mind.
Region of the mind. Yes, yes.
This again is the same question. How to become spiritual person easily without any much effort?
When we have desire that we want to be Adhyatmik. If you have no desire, not. You have believe in the perfect master, thinking that he is all and everything. Yes.
Maharaj ji, what is the secret of religion? धर्म का रहस्य क्या है?
What is the secret of the religion? What is thing we don't know, for which we are suffering here? The thing is, they say, spiritual क्या है? What is? Because we all of self is spiritual. We come here as spiritual. God is in man. Spirit is what? Including God. God's small particle is in man. And that him is spiritual. The three things is nothing. Body, mind, and ideal. God, body, mind, or soul. They are not spiritual. Spiritual is a small particle of the super being that included in it. Do then you are spiritual. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you. What is the state and vision of a person who have reached salvation while living? जीवन मुक्त अवस्था क्या है?
Do you follow? To be detached from all. To be detached from all. From relative, near and dear, from the property, all of the everything you have belonging, you detach from that. We are building this and a bank account, all you forget that. Detach. That is mine. I nothing. I came here empty hand, and we are going to empty hand. So within that, and the life is so certain that tomorrow we have no knowledge we are here or not. In the night something happened, breathe out. People say, oh, how to take this and this and this and that. Go. Everything is here. Everything is here. So knowing this and keeping in mind, they make the mind machine.
Yes. Maharaj ji, how a person should live in this world who have reached salvation while living? जीवन मुक्त पुरुष की रहनी क्या हो?
It is the impartial seeing all the things.
Yes.
Impartial. There is none man, all are men. Impartial, no partiality. All they are men like me. And they all not go with me. So I alone came and alone go. Always he thinking. If something happen in the time, oh, this and that, there is a quarrel begin and beat one on each other. He said, this is God's play. This is God's play in everybody. It is His play. He Himself is beating, He Himself is bitter. He Himself is already everything. He understands this thing, so He is partial, Jivan Mukta. Living salvation. Living salvation intent.
Yes. Yes. Next is what satsang a true master gives to the person who have reached the destination of meditation. ध्यान की मंजिल तक पहुंचे हुए व्यक्ति को सतगुरु क्या सत्संग देता है?
Suppose that you reach there, yet you have no knowledge. Where? What happened? Satguru say you reach the destination because here the sound is simple coming to you and you forget all and everything. So you reach there. But you have to do lot of work back here. Credit, debt, you are debtor. So you clear that debt, then you will go there. So since you are living here, your debt is not clear, you will come and again go. You are come, again go. We are come, again go. You from there you raise and come in the senses, do the all the work. And the day which you have clear all their debt, debit, clear, the next day you will not come here. You mix with there. We have no work to do here. You have completed all. Whatever we did in the last life, all is clear. So need not to come. Yes.
What is the state of complete surrender to God? शरणागत अवस्था क्या है? What is the complete state of surrender?
It means that the man do not claim anything he is on. I have nothing. He has no claim at all. It's not you reach the destination. I have no claim here. Nothing is mine. All is God. My body is also all and everything is God. Surrender himself. And surrender means that he has nothing, anything. Then why he will come here to do what to do? Everything he and they see that whatever I did, that is not I myself. God is within me. He did all and everything. God is in me. He knows better. If I did something wrong, then that is not my mistake. God was present in me. He was a doer. I am only puppet. Follow me? Get me? When he thinks that I did nothing, anything, it is God who did. So whatever you have did here, all and everything is that nothing. In the Jnana, knowledge, burn it all. Knowledge that I did nothing and whatever did God did. So I am not responsible for. So all you are the collected karmas of the bad luck or good luck, all burn and go away. It is thinking. I told you very beginning, nothing good, nothing bad as you think so it. But when you think that I did not think, he himself was in me. He himself. So he did, not I am. I am a puppet only, he said. What he did. So that I am not blamed for that. You don't what is nothing good, nothing bad, as you think, so it is. If you think I am criminal, then you are a criminal. But if you think that I am not criminal, God is with me, whatever did, he was present there. I am not responsible for that. If you have to get this knowledge, but not everything. Anything more.
Yes, one thing more is please explain the four forms of God, like Ek Ram Dasrath ka beta.
Oh, very beginning, we miss it, eh?
Yes.
So there Ram, but where is that Ram? Ram first is in human being here. Second, you see the Surya, sun, that there he creates all and everything. Or third, super being. Among us is a man who is expert in teaching us that what you are, from where you come and what you are, what is God, this and that. He gave him knowledge. Fourth is he. It is divided in 4 places. It does not mean he is 4. He is 1. He is in you as a perfect master, as in sun, as in a super being. Super being is all and everything. He is controlling all and every. So 4 places, one Ram is you, And other is Dasaratha ka beta, it means he born from a woman, and like men like us. And third is a son, and fourth is super being. About that nobody know, nothing knowledge, and nobody can, I think, reach. In future, but I cannot claim. Some may reach there. Because I feel for future I do not claim it. But as far as I understand, no, nobody will go there. I understand. Because it is a burning mountain, there was why, and stone all are burning. So there is so much heat that we burn. As the Surya, sun, we cannot reach to the sun. Go here and there, we go near them, then coming for heat, escape from there. Understood?
Yes.
So you understand,
Yes,
एक राम
yes.
दशरथ का बेटा, एक राम घटघट में बैठा, और एक राम का सकल पसारा, और एक राम सभी से नारा. For understood?
Yes, yes.
Anything more?
Yes. You have any questions?
If you have any doubt about the God, where do, what he did, what he is, this and that, anything, any doubt. And whatever the people say here is not true. According whatever impression, suggestion on their mind, and whatever they think true, that is true. But that is for them, not for all. What Radha Swami say, that is true for Radha Swami, because they follow it, believe in that. So what is their belief, that is according to you, he is correct, but not for all. It is for others. What is the Muhammadan thinks that this is right, that is for the Muhammadan, not for all. And I am telling the all universal truth. What is the universal truth? Universal truth is God is within man. Either he live here or in America, Africa, Australia, anywhere or any island, where the man is living like us, God is in him. Understood? Universal truth is this. Not in a Mohammedan, not in Hindu, not other. No. Universal truth is in everybody is there. And he ignorant about it. He said, this is Ram, and they called on the one name. Hindu say that Ram is the all and everything. Mohammedan say Masih, Muhammad is all and everything. And Christian say Isa Masih is all and everything. This is partiality. This all are same. All are same. All are brother. All are the son of this super being. All are brother, and they are calling this thing. Without knowledge, they are calling. So knowledge, who will impart knowledge? A perfect master who is in all these things, impartial. He will say, why are you calling? Oh God, what? Allah is God. All right, for that you use that, all right. But why are you calling with the Isai?
Christian.
He says that he is a separate son. No, he is the same. He follows that. And universal truth is Isai and Hindu and Muslim all are brother. They have one God. And they thinking themselves separately is their mistake, misunderstanding. Follow me? So who will remove this impartiality? A perfect master. If he is a perfect master, and the man who deserves to know it. If man do not deserve, man do not want, no demand, nothing do. So faith is all and everything. Faith is all and everything. Believe is all and everything. Follow me? Anything more?
Yes, one thing more left
Yeah,
here. A common person have impression of meditation in his mind, and he start meditation without any knowledge. He do many things, but he don't success. So what is the easy way of yoga? What is Sahaj Yoga?
Sahaj means there you no trouble you at all. Suppose that you are breathing. You do not have any pain and power, no. If there is some disease, then that is different thing. If you are healthy, Sahaj, easy come, easy go, without any trouble. So Sahaj Yoga is like that. I telling you that I am talking to you and also touch with that thing. So do I use some power? No at all. Free. Are you realizing in the mind a sweet voice is coming. That is I realizing and talking to you. And for that is a intoxication to me. Sometimes I forget my body or everything. That is sweet. That is as yoga. And if somebody do this and use the clothes of the other and take atama this and stand in the sunshine and some in the water and some some having this and that. That is the song. He is a dancer. He is making a drama. That is not real yoga. It's simple. And simply nobody recognize. We are all mind simple. Nobody knows that what is it. And that is the thing. Saj yoga is this.
Thank you.
Anything more?
Yes, complete. You have any queries?
सर जी कोई सवाल है क्या आपको धर्म कर्म के बारे में? हैं? कोई है तो हिंदी पूछो आप. है तो इंग्लिश स्टार्ट करें.
कोई सवाल नहीं, आपके दर्शन से सवाल दूर हो जाते हैं.
अच्छा.
Maharaj ji, when we do meditation, we love to do meditation. But when we go in the world, in the worldly affair, we get attached there also. So, what is the best way that we should get least attachment in the world and more in the meditation and Simran?
What is it?
He says, I used to do meditation when I am alone. But when I go in this world for my duty, worldly duty, I forget that. So what is the way to remain in meditation there also while working in this world?
That is technique the perfect master to teach you. That is the technique perfect master teach you and show the way. And very easy technique. Very easy technique. Whatever you are hearing this and that, you do not meditate. What is going on? And you go to meditation. And when you are meditated, then what is being there, you don't know knowledge. You say karma yoga. Suppose that you are doing something. You are writing the letter. And there is quarrel, this and that, and talking so many. But you have no idea about it. You begin to writing. And then do not understand, do not listen to them. Things are coming, but you concentrated here. I am coming from such and such time, and please wait for me, this and that. You are writing it. You are concentrated. You are fully meditated. It means that you are here close.
Concentrate.
Meditated fully. And what is this is calling this, that you do damn care for that. This is yoga. Or otherwise, if you go in the jungle, you sit alone and this and that is not permanent. The permanent thing is, all the thing is going on, you meditated here. Easy way. In all the work. Suppose you go in the world, let them talking, let them talking. You have what idea in you, you go in. And for that you may meditate on the mind, meditate in the same shape, meditate on the master's shape, you concentrated on meditated that thing. Things are going on, you don't care for them all. I'll meditate it. This is way. You always live in this world and try to tell. This technique will teach you the perfect master. He will give you knowledge, and in knowledge you will understand how to do it easily. How to do it easily. That is why we pray Him. You are all and everything, God and this and that, all and everything. You will say Him. Supposing that He is God, He will pray that. Super being. You taking Him as a super being. The Bharati Binti is saying this. You are super being, all and everything. Get in? No. Still in doubt.
Yes.
Clear, you clear what you want to ask.
For easy meditation, you make a person who is the form of God. You suppose that he is the form of God. The super being in is him. You didn't saw the God. So how you can experience that? So you have to make one in this world, to whom you like, and keep him in mind always. Walking, working, doing, eating, doing everything, you keep that form of the master here. That what will happen? Your mind will be concentrated on that thing. Suppose I hold this glass in my hand, I will not be able to hold many things. So I have to leave this. So if you hold your master here, you will not be attracted by other things. You will do everything but will not be attracted by the things. Means you are in concentration.
If you are working, suppose writing a letter,
Yes, Karam
it is
Yoga.
not the Karam Yoga. You are writing a letter, you don't care for others, and you are concentrated here.
Yes.
This is this technique will tell a perfect master to you. Technique of this. In any way, any work you are doing, concentrate yourself. And this technique will teach you perfect master according to their nature, not the all men equal.
Yes.
What is your nature? Nature according to nature, so that you accept it. And you can do it easily. You will not hard work. According to you, how you can understand. He know. Looking your face and see there, and then he will use technique.
Yes.
In any work, that is not the perfect master. Other example, I said that if you are concentrated in a work,
Yes.
whatever you are doing, writing a letter or reading a poem or this and that, or you concentrated there, you are meditated. You are living this world, but words does not interfere you. This is easy technique. Then you are meditated. Otherwise, if you go in the room and for the time being, when you come in the public, the radiation of public move like that. And you see what will happen there. They are calling, who is there? Like that, you come to on the man's level, thinking. And this is before thinking, ideas, up idea.
Yes. Maharaj ji
But
told.
what fully you will understand by the perfect master, he will see your nature and he taught. So the doctor come and see the face of the patient and look his symptom, how you feel this and that, and he understand, he gives 3 days medicine to you to test it. If you 3 days improve, how sir, I sleep and this and I all right, you take 2 days more. But if you say no sir, there is no relief, I will in same condition, then he think again. This is not the symptom of that disease, it is other disease. And he will diagnosis. If he could not diagnosis in the talking this and that for face, then he send for test in the machine. Okay? So this is in the hand of the perfect master.
Yes.
He knows everything.
Yes. Maharaj ji told me one day this thing, but that you be there in this world, being in this world, doing everything, and this world don't attract you, don't disturb you, your mind is concentrated, it means you are in meditation. One example is there, he quoted to me, suppose you are sitting here and working on your mobile, and you are your full attention is there in this mobile, and a boy goes in front of you that side, and the mother comes and asks you, have you seen my boy? You say, no, oh sorry, I didn't pay any attention, I don't know. So this is the meditation.
No? Satisfy you or not?
Yes.
Other thing.
Dear Maharaji, my question is the same like of the gentleman. When we are in your presence, it's very easy to concentrate on you. Very easy. But when we are alone in public, attention goes quickly away. And for the beginner, it is more difficult to put concentration again on you when we are not with you in your presence, when we are alone. And I have fear if I'm not in your presence. When I'm with you all the time, it's very, very, very easy. But when I'm not with you, it is much more difficult. How to overcome this?
Sir, will you speak? What he's asking?
Yes, the gentleman is saying that in your presence, your radiations goes to him, and his mind is concentrated. His mind is concentrated without any effort. But when he go back to home, he is afraid of that he will lose his concentration. He will be attracted by the worldly thing. So what to do to keep his mind concentrated?
According to the nature, seeing, the perfect master tell you this, the remedy for this, treatment for this. He will say what a nature you have. So he will teach you what to do. Either you do this and do this. Simple thing. Not difficult. Very simple according to your nature. Because nature is different. And according to nature. He sees your nature and tell you that this way you will slowly and steady when the rest. Slow and steady when the rest.
He wants to do it quickly.
Uh,
He don't want to do it slow and steadily.
okay. You want to everything will come in due course of a time. Due course of Uchit. Suppose that you sow the harvest. And after sowing it, in the 2 day, third day you see where it is. That will come in due course of time. 3 months after that you see. So for everything, gentlemen, have time. Due course of time. Understanding come in due course of time. Maturity come in due course of time. After 20 years. You know? So that is called due course of time for everything.
The problem is not attraction of the world. Problem is the unsteadiness of the mind. Mind always works with something,
Yes.
you know. It's not the outside attraction. But mind, for example, in bad sleep, bad dreams, mind always creates this nonsense. And it takes a lot of time to concentrate back on you, to have the imagination. It's much easier to sit in front of you. Much easier, I want to say.
First you tell what he told.
Yes,
Yeah.
Michael is saying that the worldly things is not the big issue for him. This is easy thing, but his mind is uneasy. He is not able to concentrate it easily. Means in minutes he is not able to concentrate. He has to take time, and he when he go to deep sleep and then comes again he wake up and or go to the dreamland. So he go for little time in the deep sleep. So his mind keeps on working. So how to calm down that? Means he is having uneasiness. So what is the remedy for that?
I very beginning told you, gentlemen. I very beginning told you that is lack of the celibacy, maintain the celibacy in the immature period and the mature period. Excess of everything is bad. So that is the depend upon the celibacy. To maintain the celibacy, it is very necessary. That is the cream thing in that. Concentration, all and everything, and to understand. I very beginning told you that is thing. So the sant of the day made something else. Tell the man, do you go in this way? You take a man like God and keep his help, support here. And thinking so like that, his radiation will you get, and slow, and you make the celibacy. If you don't make the celibacy, you won't do anything. This is rude thing is this. But slow and steady. Compromise with both the couple. Woman and husband, compromise both. Say you also ruining your life. After some time you will be half-mad. Half-mad means uneasy, not fixed. And I also. So why we should join this? If both understand and compromise, slow, give up at last. So you do, during your practice and during your getting knowledge, you should maintain the celibacy. I very beginning told you.
Yes.
Yes, gentlemen.
Yes, Maharaji, Brahmacharya, celibacy. It was said in this satsang, people who not maintain celibacy cannot go to the light. Did I understand correct? They can go the way of the sound. What does this mean?
Day before yesterday you said that there are two ways of salvation. One is light and another is sound. Darkness. So if you don't maintain celibacy, you catch the way of sound. So what is the difference?
If you don't maintain celibacy, you cannot concentrate on sound and light, nothing.
Yes.
That is root, gentlemen, I told you. Root is this, controlling the mind. Power is that. And that we just slowly, you understand and give a slow, understanding it and be punctual about that. Act upon it. That is the root thing is this. And those who are never maintain the celibacy, why they think like that? They may have success in other work, but not in this work. It is the essential thing. In which suppose that you don't maintain the celibacy, and I think that this gentleman is not time not to maintain. Then I use the other method. I said to you, you need not to concentrate, need not to do anything. You believe only. I said, such a man who does not know, you believe in that. You faith in him. You faith that he is all and everything. He will do all and everything good for me. You faith, give up all the repetition of name or maintain the, try to see the light or try to listen the voice. Give up on this all. Give up this all. Simply believe in God. That is remedy for them. If in your belief there is power. If you faith power in you, what do you think? So you will be happy in this world. But you cannot free from that. You cannot attain salvation by this way. In this life. In next you may. In this life you cannot. But whatever you want you will get. Whatever you desire you will get. And if you surrender him, then you will get all everything what you want. You are not told. That is the whatever you want. Do you follow me what I am telling? Because I am not clear in my English, I know it.
No, very
I
clear.
forget.
Very clear.
I forget about it, yes.
Yes.
Well, that is right, but I have no confidence about it. Understood me? Only believe. I think that this man is not able to maintain the celibacy, and not his age is also. His age is long, and he lost all and everything. He access everything is bad. That he access the discharge the celibacy. Then I tell him, don't bother about it. You don't want it, nice, all right, you do one thing. You believe in God. You believe in faith that whatever he do, good for you. Whatever he do, good for me. You thinking like that, and whatever you want, you will get all everything. And next life, when you come, then you come in such a place, father and mother and all, and the next practice you will do it. Next minute you concentrate this and that, everything will become easy. But in this life it is impossible, but ideal morality is not. There is a way there. There is other way to be happy in this world. First you be happy, and that is you believe that he is always with me, do all and everything. Follow me? You?
Yes, Sangha.
I think you understood or not? You? ये विश्वास रखो, विश्वासम फलदायकम. The fruit is Vishwas, believe, all everything. Yes.
Maharaji, how many hours you spent in your life in the presence of Fakir Chand Ji? About how many days, how many hours?
The gentleman is saying, how frequently you used to go, Maharaj Fakir Chand Ji? How much time you spend with him? Did you spend a lot of time with him in the Manav Mandir or what?
No, I did my work, duty. I was an army officer, duty is there. Sometimes uncertain or something I wanted, then wrote on the letter. At that time there was no telephone at that beginning. So simply write a letter and he will write a letter to me. Simply that way, and not too much time. When I go to him, he listened to me, to see me, and talk 2-3 minutes, and after that anything you want to ask? Oh, no, nothing. Any question? No. You please go, or see your family. Look after your work during the leave time, and then do your duty. Simply. Very neat. Anything more? The easy thing, gentlemen. This is not a hard team. This is not a critical problem. Very easy. Believe in that. Believe and do all. And whatever you will get, automatically you get. Those who are being rich, no. They think, their thinking is this, that I am Krodapati, or next time I am Kharpati. So like that he think he will be Kharpati. So many factory he will get after this and that, and money come and go, he don't know how much he is there. Like that. or those who go in the, politics, they do the service of the big man, and if they think, choose him and tell to election, fight the election, we win the election, then come the minister, and this and that, and then sometime comes the chief minister, or sometime the Mukhyamantri, Pradhan Mantri, Prime Minister. So already everything will come easily. Need not to trouble. You have a good thinking and clear-hearted, and demanding good thing, and think good for you. Positive thinking. Positive means that always have positive thinking. Good for yourself, good for others. Nothing is a place here for bad men. No man is bad. God is in everybody. He is doing according to God. I will do some duty, he will do work that. Like that. So easy thing. Make the life happy. You get up happy in the morning, you both come and say good morning this and then smile. You see her, you see him, and see each other and be happy. And all the day long like that. You wish for that. You wish for that, both. But avoid what? Practice section of the body.
Any more question?
Super being is something else. About that we are not able approach. That is beyond the sun. Sun is burning less and he is more than sun. He makes the sun also, his radiation makes sun, moon, this and that, star, all everything. And all the world this. And other so many world is there here, but down. So he make all knowledge. But about that man cannot know. It is enable man to know about it. He is Akai, cannot be said by tongue. He is we cannot write on the paper. So a name is his own and he has no name at all. Some say this is this and he has no name at all. And that is in everybody working here. So you see, I told you like that. I think sufficient?
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Maharaj.
No answer, please. I am very glad to see you, such good a gentleman. So in few times you understand all everything. Always be sweet-hearted, happy. Happiness is life. So be happy yourself. Oh, I am in immense. God sent me this. I have to hand this and that and brain, all and everything. And be sweet. And not to think anything evil against anybody.